How to use Meta AI on Facebook Messenger. If any day you would like to use Meta AI on Facebook Messenger but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether they're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, now you can launch the very Messenger application on your mobile device. For that, you have to find the very Messenger application by scrolling left or right or by manually searching it. After you find it, you have to tap on the Messenger application like this. Now you can tap on any of the chat you want, or you can also chat to the very group, and after that you can go to the message like icon. So here one thing that you have to remember is you can individually write the very message or also write it to the group as well. And after that you have to write at the rate Meta AI and then send it. Now after you tap on at the rate Meta AI, that will be shown that you will be able to chat with the Meta AI. But if you are not being able to chat with the Meta AI, now what you can do is, it may be because your application is not updated, so you can go to the Play Store on your mobile device, and after that in the Play Store you have to search Messenger there, and in the very search icon of your Messenger, when you search the Messenger application, now you have to tap on that. Now after you tap on that, you can see an interface like this. If you see the option of update out here, you have to update your very application of Messenger, and after you update it, your problem will be solved and you can chat with Meta AI on Messenger. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.